Hi friends, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. And this is Royal Hemu. And today, actually, I'm in Bangalore. So, unfortunately, my tires got fully completed. So, actually, I'm going now to. Hi friends. Now I'm going to the. Actually, I'm in Bangalore. So now I'm going to change my car tires. So let's we'll go to the tire shops and we'll change the car tires, and I will show you what are the changes which I am doing for the car tires. My car tires is JK tires, so again I am going to change the same tires. Actually in Bangalore, mask is mandatory while driving or anything, otherwise the police people will charge fines. So that's why I'm wearing this mask, and seat belts also. And seat belts also we have to wear, otherwise these people will charge the fines. And that too my bike, and that too my car is a Tamil Nadu registration car. So the people they won't stop the other state cars. So I'll see you directly in the tire changing shop. Okay, see you guys. Okay guys, my car tire replacement is done. So now I'm going to the home, and I'll go home and I will tell you the tire information how we have to check the tire information. Actually, everything they will mention in the car tire, when it's manufactured and what is the size and those things. And apart from this one, each tire they cost as a 3,300. JK tires I have changed, and each tire is a 3,300, and they did a wheel alignment and wheel balancing as a complimentary. And these things I have changed. So I'm going back to the home. So once I reach the home, I will show you the 4 tires and how we have to measure the tire year manufacturing and the size and all. Okay. Okay, guys, I'll catch up in the home. I have reached the home, guys. Now I'll show you the tires. There is this one. Yeah, I'll show you on the other side. If you see, this is the tire size and diameter, everything, and this one is the manufacturing week and the manufacturing year. So my tire is a 14 inches tire, and these two I'll go home and I will tell you what is these details.